So if your YouTube shorts are not showing on your YouTube app, there could be a couple of reasons why. It could be a bug within YouTube, but most likely you've set your time management settings to never show shorts. Okay, so to fix that, you tap on the U button at the bottom right. That'll open up your page, and then you tap on the settings gear cog at the top, and there you'll see time management. Tap onto time management, and then you want to scroll down, and there you'll see daily limits and daily shorts feed limit. Okay, if you have that enabled and you have it on 0 minutes, you won't see any shorts. So what you need to do is toggle that down so it's gray like that, and then you can go back to YouTube and then refresh it, and then you'll see the shorts start to appear again. So that's the quick fix. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.